What is up, investors? Jason here. So today we're going to talk about Cardano again. We're going to go a little bit more into the possibility of Cardano offering a burn and also talking about some new news about scalability with Cardano, as well as another follow-up on the amount of total value locked on Cardano, because we are seeing this stuff increase and there's a lot of big things to really look forward to. Now, on this particular day, the crypto fear and greed index is sitting over in fear. But over these last 7 days, we have been seeing some more bullish activity over in the entire crypto market in general. Now, there has been a little pullback with Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest of the crypto market, but we have been seeing them trailing up over the last 7 days. So this is good news. But at this moment, we still have Cardano still sitting below that $1 price, currently priced at 88 cents. But the nice thing is that we did manage to get over that 85-cent resistance, and we're still holding above that at this moment. So hopefully this is an area of support that we're going to be able to hold on to. So we're going to get more into this. So as we do, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe or follow if you have not already. Now, let's get to it. So looking over at Cardano, this is actually very important that we were able to get over this 85-cent resistance. Now, this has been something we've been struggling with throughout the majority of the month of March since we had fallen through it. And so now that we're back above it, the biggest thing that we need to do is go between this 85-cent price and $1. So we got 15 cents here of a lot of volatility to really focus on. And the big thing is that we were between this 85 cent and this $1 price through, we got down here in mid-February, and we've kind of just been, in this slump here. But I mean, not necessarily including the slump that we've been in, kind of just on this downward drop since we had hit the high back in the beginning of September. But the big thing here is that we are now back, working our way back up to hopefully a positive trajectory, especially that we have a lot of good news coming out of Cardano now at this moment. Now, when it comes to altcoins, a lot of them have to benefit from what the price of Bitcoin is doing. So now with Bitcoin being so bearish lately and being down a lot from where it was at its highs that were back in November, this is, of course, affecting a lot of the entire crypto market, since Bitcoin and Ethereum are the dominant cryptocurrencies, and they really, the entire crypto market really reflects a lot of what they do. So that's affecting Cardano, Solana, and such. Now, looking at the price of Bitcoin right now, though, with Bitcoin working its way up to that $42,000 resistance, and hopefully it's able to get over that and find support, this could be a good sign. Now, we know it's attempted it a couple times from February on into March lately, since it had fallen through. What could happen if Bitcoin is to be able to go over this $42,000 price and work its way up through this $46,000 resistance that would be next? Then we have a good possibility of seeing Bitcoin going into a big breakout. And just to show you guys, in the past, when we were able to see Bitcoin every single time, every single big rally, that Bitcoin was able to go over that $42,000 price that we're trying to get over right now, things get very bullish with Bitcoin when that does happen. And when it's not able to hold that $42,000 price like it just happened recently, then it's going to fall through. And we're going to see a scenario like we had seen recently. Now, when we had seen Bitcoin go over $42,000 in August, and it was able to hold above that and hold on to support above that $42,000 price. And that was when we were able to get in this last big rally that we had, where we had Bitcoin find a new all-time high in November. But like what had happened, when it had fallen through that $42,000 price, that got us into this bearish situation that we're in now. Now, of course, geopolitical issues are affecting the markets right now. They're affecting the stock market and they're affecting the crypto market at this moment. But there were other things that were very bearish with crypto recently that we have overcome, one being the Biden crypto bill, which ended up not being that serious of a situation like a lot of people were fearing. The other thing being the EU proof of work ban, which that ended up not passing, and now things with that are, to the wayside, hopefully, at least for this moment. So there are some things to be bullish on with crypto right now, because those bearish things that were definitely affecting the price, those things are gone. So right now, these geopolitical issues do play a big factor, but the overall crypto market does have some things to benefit from right now at this moment, with some of those negative things out of the way. And this good news has really helped out the entire crypto market, where we've seen it gain a lot of value over the last week, where Bitcoin, just over these last 7 days, is up more than 9%. Ethereum up more than 13.5%. But the topics here, Cardano, which is up more than 11%, followed by Solana, which is up about 12.5%, and Avalanche up more than 24.5%. So we're seeing a lot of these altcoins, really showing good signs with what's been going on over in the entire crypto market. But now back to Cardano, since that is our main topic here today. Now, we know that there are two teams working on a burn mechanism with Cardano, one being the Hydra team, which from this blog post from March 18th that was posted on Cardano.org, it says that the Adristia team, which this team was launched back in 2020 to make it faster for other chains to integrate and interact with Cardano. Now, in this update, it says the team continued working on finalizing a new transaction workflow to add token minting and burning capabilities. Now, the other one is the Hydra team, which the Hydra team is working on, layer 2 solutions to improve network scalability and security. It says that the Hydra team held a planning session and updated the Hydra development roadmap. They created technical documentation and started working on the new website featuring user manuals, core concepts, and API references. Finally, they inspected the option of token minting and burning within a Hydra head, along with scenarios of using tokens instead of datums. Now, Cardano has reached a scaling milestone. The first Hydra heads have opened on the public Cardano testnet. So that's good for Cardano's layer 2 solutions and the fact that team is working on the burn mechanism. So next thing I want to talk about real quick is I want to talk about the total value locked on Cardano, which is currently $272.38 million. Now, we've seen the total value locked on Cardano go up substantially just over these last couple months. From mid-January to now, this has really gone up a lot. I mean, this is when we had seen Sundaeswap decks come out on Cardano. And that really was when things started to really change here. Now, Sundaeswap and Minswap make up the majority of it. Now, the majority of it actually is within Minswap, which has more than a 62% dominance, which is at $169.72 million. And then that's followed by Sundaeswap with more than $106 million of total value locked. Now, we're just talking about a few protocols here on Cardano that are doing all this at the moment, but there is a lot more to come as time does go on here, where there's a handful of DEXs coming out in Cardano. And of course, the Cardano ecosystem is continuing to grow. Now, of course, I'm somebody that is bullish on Cardano, and I feel like Cardano is way undervalued, especially that the price of Cardano is at currently is down significantly from where Cardano was at its highs. And at that time, we didn't have nowhere near the things that we have now as far as projects that have launched on the Cardano ecosystem. And this ecosystem is continuing to grow. And we've seen a lot of things coming out and continuing to roll out as time does go on. So I think the price is way undervalued. I wouldn't be surprised that we don't see the price of Cardano going to that $3 price, possibly by the next time the Bitcoin does show a rally, whenever that will be. But don't take that as any sort of financial advice. This is just my own analysis, and this is my own opinion. But I'd like to hear what you guys think, and where do you guys think that we're going to see Cardano go the next time that there is a big bull run within crypto? And what are your guys' thoughts on the possibility of there being a burn mechanism on Cardano? I'd like to know. So that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.